systemic tree treatment DIY products can work for borers and scale when used exactly as labeled and timed to protect pollinators. For homeowners treating trees and shrubs, choose products labeled specifically for systemic uptake and the target pest, and read the entire label before purchase. For soil drenches, measure the application zone to cover the active root area, apply slowly to allow root absorption, and avoid compacted or waterlogged soil, which limits uptake. For trunk sprays, follow bark preparation steps on the label, apply during sap flow windows recommended by the manufacturer, and prevent runoff onto non-target plants. Trunk injection is effective but risky for the tree and the operator, so think of it as a last resort and reserve it for licensed applicators who can match dose to tree size and species. Time systemic applications to avoid open flowering periods and consult local bloom calendars to reduce pollinator exposure. If treatments must occur during bloom, use non-systemic or physical controls instead. Before using synthetic systemics, consider horticultural oil applications for scale and biologic controls, such as beneficial nematodes or insect-specific microbes for borers when appropriate, because they can reduce chemical use and lower risk to bees and other beneficials. Most people overapply by estimating rather than measuring root zone, which causes poor uptake and potential runoff. Measure tree diameter and consult labeled dosing tables to correct this. Another common issue is treating at the wrong time, which gives no control and harms pollinators. Check pest life cycle guides and local bloom timing, and schedule treatments for dormant or post-bloom periods whenever possible. A third problem is attempting trunk injection without proper training, which can wound the tree and spread pathogens. Prefer licensed applicators for injections and use labeled soil drenches or trunk sprays for do-it-yourself work. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover product recommendations related to tree pest care. And our discussion community lets people share experiences, timing tips, and local pest observations. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners seeking services while hosting a community forum where we all learn from real project outcomes.